So this, again, this is called reductions and linking. They're two different things. Reduction makes make it shorter, and linking, you put things together, put things together. So for example, want to becomes wanna, but here is linking. Linking is turn it off becomes turn it off. Turn it off. You put it all together, turn it off. Here we go. We're going to get some action on this. So part one is reductions. Reductions. And this is want to, wanna. So here it is. Do you want to eat? This is what we just did. Do you want to eat becomes do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat? So again, want to, we take want to, we put it together and make it wanna. No t at all, no t, wanna. Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat? Okay, and there it is again. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Yeah, so do you want to dance is now do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? And I'm going to go now. There it is. We already had this one. I'm going to go now. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go. Yeah, Moises just said it when he left. He said, I'm gonna go now. He actually said this. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go now. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay. And she is going to call me. When it fasts together, it all melts together and it becomes she's gonna call me. She's gonna call me. She's gonna call me. Going to is gonna. She's gonna call me. She's gonna call me. She's gonna call me. And this is the one actually we didn't do, but is I have to go becomes I have to go. I have to go. Have to. Have to means it's necessary. I must do it. I have to go. I have to leave. Sorry. People say I have to. Or I have to do the dishes. Or I can't go to the party. I have to study English. Yeah, I have to. Have to. Here's a good one. I have to sleep becomes I have to sleep. I have to sleep. I have to sleep. I really have to sleep. I'm so tired. I have to sleep. I have to sleep. And this is I have to finish this. 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 I really have to finish this. I really have to finish this. I have to. Okay, that's one part. Now this is, the second part is linking. Linking. Linking is when you take separate words like this and you put them together. You put them together, yeah? Whole sentences. So, for example, this is the past tense. Did you eat? Did you eat? Becomes did you eat? Look, it's all together. Did ya? Did you is did ya? Did you eat? Did you eat? What? Did you eat? Did you eat? That's how people say it. Yeah. Did ya? The yeah, the did and the Y becomes J. Didja, 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 did. It's almost like this. It's almost like didja, didja, didja. Did you eat? Did you eat? Did you eat? Yeah. This is the great one. Turn it off. Turn it off, right? Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah. No spaces. Yeah. Just turn it off. Turn it off. You tell the kids about the TV. Turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah. Turn it off, right? You don't even say please. You say turn it off. Turn it off. That's how people speak. Turn it off. Turn it off. And this is pick it up. This is pick up. Like, for example, here's my cell phone, and I'm going to say pick it up. Pick it up. Right? Pick it up. You can't quite see that. Pick it up. Pick it up is pick it up. All goes together. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Can you imagine somebody says this? Pick it up. You say, what? What? Pick it up. Pick it up. What's pick it up? Pick it up. I don't know that. Pick it up. Ah, it's this. It's pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. It's one suave piece. Yeah, it's pick it up. It's one word. Here's a great one. Get in line. In a line. In a linea, get in line. Like at the pharmacy, at the farmacia, maybe you have to get in line, in a linea. And we run it all together. Get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line. Yeah, you're saying it. Get in line, get in line. I hear you. It sounds perfect. Get in line, get in line. Come on, kids, get in line, get in line, get in line. Yeah, get in line, get in line, get in line, get in line. Oh, this is the great one. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, give it to me thing. So give it to me. And it becomes give it to me. 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 Come on, give it to me right now. Give it to me. That's how you speak to children. Not you, me. Give it to 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 me. Listen to that. Give it to me. 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 Ah, here's a great one. Zip it up. Yeah, zip it up. Zip it up means people say zip it up. Zip it up. Zip it up. Zip it up. Do you ever, by the way, do you ever hear people say zip it? Sometimes people say zip it. Do you ever hear that? Zip it? Zip it means be quiet. Silencio. They say zip it. They mean zip your mouth. Zip. They say zip it. Right? Zip it. People say this all the time. Zip it. Zip it. Yeah, zip it means be quiet. Don't say that. Be quiet. Be quiet. Yeah. Don't say it to your boss. Don't say it to your husband. Yeah. In fact, it's a joke. Only say it to friends. Okay. Only say it to friends. Okay. So here is the fast English. The two tricks. They're called reductions and linking. So reductions are when the sound changes, right? So for example, want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna, and have to becomes have to. There are hundreds of these, thousands of these. And then linking is when you take the words and put them together. It's from the word link. This is a link. When you put them together. So for example, turn it off becomes turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah, turn it off. Pick it up. Pick it up becomes pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Zip it up. Zip it up becomes zip it up. Zip it up. Up is this direction. Up is up. Down is this way, right? So zip it up means zip it up this way. Zip it up, 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 up.